Kabudol, I will unbox this parcel from the shop of MGM Gold Jewelry. My third box to open. Kumakalog-kalog siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano laman sa loob at kumakalog. Maybe the box inside. So, may logo siya ng MJM. And then they have TikTok, Facebook and Instagram account. Legit online seller sila. This is what inside. Oh, USB. And then ito yung in-order ko, another power ring. So, ito siya. Meron din siyang stamp. So, makinang siya yan. Ang kinang-kinang, grabe. Another size 6 again. Oh, power ring. Nahihilig kasi ako sa mga power ring recently for change of style of ring. Thank you for your watching.